ethanol tankers. You've pretty much seen them all. There's an occasional one that's a little bit more weathered, like that one there, but most of them are all about the same. Whoa! Except till you come down towards the end of the train, and there you have one right there. They threw in just to trip us up. And that's the end of my story. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Here's something I haven't seen before. Kind of a rainy day out there today. But the engines you can hear blowing the whistle are at the lead of this train. And here in the middle are two more. I didn't see the beginning of the train. These two are pulling a totally different consist of ethanol tankers. The first train was actually all ballast gondolas, and I think they were all empty. But that is totally something new for me. What do you think of them apples? She's lightning and thundering and all of that good stuff going on out there, so I won't step out there at the moment. Been a busy day here for trains today. Busy day.